What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Cheri Addo here with a new video. Look at my princess Oyami. She's helping me. And we are going to make some delicious cabbage soup. And you might think, why in the world would you make cabbage soup? Because cabbage soup is like special soup what people drink if they have like a special event or something that they want to look fit for, you know. It helps you to detox the body. And since I'm going to a festival on my birthday, which is coming Sunday, which means I still have like 6 days to go. And I don't know, lately my stomach feels a little bit... It's Tuesday today.
Ja, 4.
How 4?
Want school is over 5 dagen.
No. Okay, Oyami correct me. It is 5 days. Anyway, I count today to join and then it's 6 days. Okay, Oyami? So if I join today, it's 6 days. Anywho, lately I have a little bit floated stomach and I am wearing a very nice outfit. And I don't want to have like a bloated up stomach. So I think it's very good to do a detox at this moment. So that my body is fit for Sunday. I'm so excited. It's been years since I've been to a festival. I've been to several parties and little festivals like the Parkfeest here in Venlo. And I went to Arnhem with the Nijmeegse Vierdaagse. But it's not the same. No, it's not the same. A festival is really big. You pay to go inside a festival where all people are coming together just to vibe and to relax. And it's a totally different vibe. So I'm excited. I always play at festivals the last 5 years. And now I can go myself. Me and Oyami gonna make the soup. If you want the recipe, I will put the recipe in the description, and then you can make it yourself. What? Hey, come. Hey, come. So for this soup, we use 1 bell pepper, 3 carrots. Well, actually 4, but I already ate one.
Mama, waarom heb je de 2 en...
A half of a cabbage. This is sugar snaps. I'm gonna use the half. This doesn't need to go inside the soup, but I want a very full and rich soup, so I'm gonna put this inside.
Kom dan.
I'm coming. Celery, like 3 to 4 stems is enough. Spring onion. Garlic, ginger, and of course pepper. You don't have to add the pepper, but the pepper will speed up the process of breaking down the bacteria in your body. So it's good to use pepper. You got the carrot. Can you people see what she's doing? Oyami's face is a little bit painted. We were at a party this morning, and Oyami had some paint on her face, but it's too hot. It's melting. See, it's literally melting from her face. All right. I told you guys I was doing a new challenge in the gym. Well, I need to be very honest. I have not been doing it. I've not been doing it yet, but I am gonna do it. I'm just postponing it a little bit because I have to be honest to myself and to you guys. I don't know. I've had a little bit of dip this week, and I've been going to the gym. Well, I've not been doing the challenge. And this week I've not been going to the gym yet, but I will still go. There's no excuses for not going to the gym. It's just sometimes I'm a little bit demotivated. And it's normal, you know. It's as long as you keep going, it's not a bad thing to skip a day or two, and as long as you keep going. And this is also the last week of the holidays of my children, so I'm already preparing on their going back to school, and then I will have more time for myself to work on my videos and on my sport and everything. Then I can get back in the rhythm, because now it's been very hectic. It's been very, very hectic for me, but I'm not complaining because I enjoy to spend time with them, and it was necessary. The onion is cut. I'm going to use a big pan, put it on the fire. I need to buy new oil, but I still have some. So I put the onion inside. It's a little bit too early, but sorry. So the beauty of this soup, you can eat it at every moment of the day, as long as you make sure that the rest of the day you drink a lot of water, you can eat fruit, and you can eat veggies. You can do this diet as long as you want. It's advisable to do it for 7 days. If you want to do it longer, well, that's your choice. I wouldn't advise it. And it's only for rapid. It is meant for rapid weight loss. And I think the most what you're gonna lose is fluids. So all the fluids are going out of your body. You know, you are detoxing your body because you're not eating anything else. You're not eating no meat, no bread, no pastas, no nothing, only fruit, veggies, and your soup. And I mean raw fruit, raw veggies, and the soup. The second reason why I'm doing this is to challenge my mind, because my mind is getting a little bit lazy. Sometimes I'm telling him something to do, and he don't want to listen to me. He just want to do his own thing, and I don't think that's a good thing. You know, when I say something, I have to do it, especially towards myself. So that's another reason why I'm trying to do this. Let's call it like fasting, you know? Challenge myself to do like 5 days fasting. Because me, when I see food and I like the food, I immediately go like, oh, like everything is off the table and I'm just gonna enjoy the food, and later I will regret for eating that food. And it's just a waste of time, you know. Waste of time, waste of energy. So that's my second reason for doing this. Now I add the onion, paprika, and the carrot together. And I let it fry a little bit, not too high fire. Next, I'm gonna cut the ginger. The ginger and the garlic with the pepper. So I cut it, and now I'm gonna blend it up. Add a little bit of water so that it blends well. If you watch my videos, you know this is the only spices I always use with cooking. I don't use other spices, maybe only to add a little bit taste to some foods. But these are the main spices I use every single day to cook. Garlic, ginger, and pepper. And sea salt. Now sometimes Himalaya salt. But it's just incredible how every day my food tastes different while I still use the same products. So that's good, huh? Alright, this is the mixture, and I'm gonna add it to my veggies. I've made a lot because normally I'm supposed to put chicken stock, but I don't have no chicken stock. So, and I don't want to use the cubes. There's too much sugar and conservatives inside. So I want to keep it as natural as possible. So I use a little bit more of these herbs. Next I'm going to cut the cabbage. Now let me cut some of these. These need some time. I use like half of the sugar snaps. You need to do this in feeling, you know. I don't know. I can drink this soup the whole week. I will keep it in the freezer when it's done. I will keep out for today and tomorrow, and the rest I will keep it in the freezer. And I will see how far it takes me. Maybe the children like it and they will also eat it. I don't think so, but Oyami likes my soupies. And Dayo sometimes, but he doesn't like the vegetables. He drink all the soup, but the veggies will be left. And Ori, well, don't talk about Ori. Ori doesn't eat nothing that he doesn't know. We have to force him to eat it, huh, Ori? And most of the time when we force him to eat it, he will eat. He's like crying and shouting, and then he's tasting it and he says, "Oh, it tastes good, Mom." It's like, why are you shouting then? So I've put the beans, the sugar snaps inside, and I'm gonna add some salt. This one is Himalaya salt, which is supposed to be very healthy. I like the taste of Himalaya salt. It's a little bit more sweeter than the normal salt. And it's very nutritious.
And we're gonna go to...
Oh, where are we going? Come here.
my friend's house.
Oh, we're gonna pick Oyami's friend in our house.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. I'm not yet done. I first need to make my soupy. So I just washed it and I will add it to my soup. I totally forgot the celery. I like celery, so I'm gonna add like a little bit. Because I'm a little bit late, but better late than never. I got this recipe from internet. I've done this before and I lost almost 3 kilos in 7 days. I don't know how much I'm gonna be able to lose. But this is, I don't really do it to lose weight. I'm just doing it now to get rid of the bloated stomach that I'm experiencing. So I will weigh myself so that you guys can see how much I weigh now and how much I weigh just before the festival. Because you know everyone can talk, but you need to have some results, right? That's what we do it for. Results, results, results. This is how my soup looks. And I'm just gonna add water. And this is the remaining of the ginger, garlic, and pepper. And I'll wait a little bit because this needs to soften a little bit. Then when it's soft, I'm gonna add this water, and I'm gonna add some more water, and then I'll just bring it to taste, and that's it. That's how simple it is. The rest of the days, I filled my whole fridge with vegetables and fruits, so I have enough. Looky here, enough fruits, enough veggies. This is one of my veggie shake. You see? Here's like no, not now. No, not now. It's for tomorrow. I already had mine this morning. It's with avocado, spinach, pineapple, and a little bit of orange juice. Lemon juice. So that's what I eat in the morning. In the afternoon, I will eat just raw fruits and raw veggies. And in the evening, I will drink my soup. If you make a lot of the soup, they say you can eat it all throughout the day. But me, I want to try to eat it only once or maybe twice. We'll see how far we get. I can even make a new one if it's necessary. But yeah, we'll see how it goes, right? We'll see how it goes. This is one of my favorite vegetables. I like to put it in the soup or in the salad, and it's very crispy and nice, and I love it. Yes, I love the taste. And I always like to add it at the end.
Yeah, but it is like onion.
Yeah, it's spring onion.
Yeah.
But it, you know, leek.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is like the smaller version. The small version of leeks. And this is very healthy. If you drink this in your shake, your skin is gonna be popping. Popping. Alright, so I keep this for the end. Yes, but I'm gonna use the celery and the spring onion for the end. When the soup is done, I'm gonna add this. I've just added my water, and I'm gonna use some dry herbs leaves. So I use 1 spoon of oregano, a half spoon of cumin seeds, the whole seed, 3 of these leaves, I forgot the name, but I put 3. And this is just for the taste, guys. It's just for the taste. A little bit of sage. And that's it, guys. This soup is gonna be tasty and full, rich with veggies and herbs, and it's like So I'm gonna leave it to cook until it boils and all the ingredients have fused in together into this delicious soup, and then I can eat, because I didn't eat nothing yet. I only drink my shake in the morning and I've been eating fruit, but I'm getting hungry now, so
She wants real food.
real food!
Real food. Real food.
That was my cabbage soup, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to try the cabbage soup diet, try it for yourself. Please share with me your result. I will share my results with you guys too. I'll keep you updated. Stay tuned.